Hello traders, today we are looking at the custom moving average indicator available for both MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5. This is an enhanced version of the traditional moving average designed for cleaner trend identification. I'll load the indicator on the chart so we can see how it looks in real time. Don't forget to allow DLL imports so the indicator will work. The indicator plots as a line on the price chart, similar to a standard moving average, but with refinements in its calculations. When price is above the line, it generally implies an uptrend. As you can see here, the price went above the line, followed by an uptrend, a strong one at that. And when price is below the line, it generally implies a downtrend, as you can see here and again here. The line can also act as a dynamic support or resistance level, and crossover setups with other moving averages can highlight potential trend shifts. You can adjust the period in its settings to control how many bars are included in the calculation, with shorter periods making the line more responsive, while longer periods provide a smoother view of the overall trend. The indicator is designed to be customizable to fit different trading strategies, and also adjust or change the color to be a more neutral color and the width too. Who is it for and its limitations? This tool is suitable for all traders looking for a straightforward trend identification method. It works on all time frames and asset classes. The limitation, however, is that, like any moving average, it is a lagging indicator and may not respond quickly to sudden reversals. It is a visual tool that does not execute trades, and confirmation from other analysis methods is always recommended. You can download the indicator for both MT4 and MT5 from the links in the description below on the Forex Geek. Like the video, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more.